Connecting Vizio TV to Universal Remote. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to connect Vizio TV to Universal Remote. So let's get started. First, put your Universal Remote into pairing or setup mode. It is usually done by holding the setup, program or power button until the indicator light stays solid. Then press the TV button on the remote to indicate you are programming a TV. Enter a standard Vizio code. Then wait for the indicator light to confirm the code has been accepted. Test the connection by pressing power, volume and channel buttons together. If the TV does not respond, try a different code. If codes fail, use the remote's auto search mode. You have to hold setup, press TV, then repeatedly tap power until the TV turns off. Lock the code by pressing OK or Enter. Once saved, your universal remote will control your Vizio TV as part of your home setup. And that's it. That's how you will be able to set up or connect your Vizio TV to universal remote.